And I will show you the new feature, uh, sky replacement. It's a new feature on Photoshop. Okay, and I bring some pictures here, and we try together and see what happened. Okay, and it's a very simple, and you just need to go into the menu and edit, and right here have a sky replacement. Okay, and they start working. Look here. They I can like preview. Okay, and right here I have some skies. Okay, like this. Okay, this. Okay, this. And you choose the correct, and you can bring too. I think uh, create new sky. I think, and you choose the sky and replace if you download some image of sky. Okay, and they have some photos spectacular like these with rainbow for sunset. Okay, vertical. We have sunset here. Okay, I think this, and you can like this feature is for is, is to see the skies right, and right here have this shift edges. Okay, and fade edges. Okay, and adjustment is bright, is too bright, and okay, you can temperature. Okay, you can change the temperature to the scale. Okay, if you want a bigger, but if you scale too, okay, the okay we can flip. Okay, and have foreground adjustment. Okay, make screen and look black. Okay, the light adjustment, like color adjustment too. Okay, the output here, output here you can like new layer and duplicate layer. Okay, and this. Let's see. So reduce states. And I don't know this future, but if you see here, you see all the okay. And let's try this. The sky replacement. Okay, I'm going to work. Yeah, to work, but we can choose sunset. Okay, beautiful, huh? Right. Okay. Apply the screen. Okay. Forward. And scale, scale, scale. Okay. And right here, you see the tones, they change the tones too. Yeah, very good. And this, the sky replacement. Okay. Is the, yeah. And you can choose some. Mm-mm. Yeah. And this example, I don't like too much because the perspective is not too good. Okay. And let's try this. Yeah, works fine now. The trees. Let's good. Yeah. Now set the angle. Yeah, it works fine. Let's put these right here. Mm, okay. Yeah. This is. Mm, let's see the sunset now. Yeah, okay. Mm, yeah, and then zoom in right here. And before and after. And the after is better because you see the original pictures. It looks like the guy replaced the sky before. Yeah, it looked like the before I have a replacement sky replacement, and the Photoshop works better. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's good. So like these vertical now. Editing. Oh, not bad. Let's choose a vertical. Like this. Oh, nice, but still dark. Something like this. Yeah, I see they do a good job. Sunset don't works here because still crazy. Yeah. So before, it's after. Okay. Works very good. Let's see another one with tree with something on the foreground. And yeah, you see they do a perfect job. Uh, we can like choose screen, but no words apply. Okay, and you can choose another one. Well, this is good. Let's see. Let's see another one. Let's see. Yeah, and look okay. Or see the mask here is very good. The mask. You see this before and after. It's very good. It's very good. So detail working. Let's choose something like this. Yeah, before, okay, like this angle. And you need to choose the correct angle of to use Skype to do a good job. Like I think this is good, this angle. Yeah, this angle is perfect for this, okay? And you can adjust more bright, for example. Okay, and you see before, after. And we so please find you see here. Okay, and like this, but I'm going to, yes, and let me see. This did yes, but no, no, it's not because the perspective you can see something is not right. Okay, this can scale, scale. Let's see the vertical. Forget this is vertical. Mm, but no, those are just to try, but I think the best is this. You need correct. Okay, and correct image to replace. Okay, and the perspective, the size, the distance, and everything. Like this is an area I think. Yeah, but this is an area. Yeah, it's an area. And you need some kind because if you don't, they like show you strange. Okay, and it's not bad, but yeah, it's like this is good. And this side, you see, the side is too big because it's close, but it's more far because light is far, and it looks like yeah, this is it's perfect for this image or like this. Okay, I think this is not going to because it's sunset and it don't make sense. And the best for this is this, and it's good if you download a lot of creative library of skies and you know what kind you need. Okay, and that's it.